Good morning, children. Hope you all would be safe at your home. I am here again to discuss about the rest part of chapter 3, that is the. Let's come to the definite article, that is the. There is only one definite article, that is the. So, where should we use article the? Children, there are many rules for this. We will start with the first one. Nouns used for the second time. We should use the before the nouns used for the second. Look at the example to get it clear. Children, the first one is, a boy is sitting on a bench. The boy was looking worried. You can see there are two sentences, and in both the sentences boy is common. It means I use boy this boy the second time. So before the noun which is used second time, we should use the. For the first time, we should use a or an. Second time means I am talking about the boy which is about which we talk before. About this boy. This boy and this boy are the same boy. Got it? Look at the second example. I ate a pear. The pear was sweet. You can see here also two sentences, and in both sentences pear is common. This pear is the same pear about which we talk in the first sentence. So, we should use the before the noun used for the second time. So, we use the here, and here for the first time we use a. Alright, children. Next one is, we can use the before the noun which is specific. Look the example. She is the girl I met yesterday. Girl is a noun. This is not any girl. She is the girl I met yesterday. She is an specific. I am talking about the specific, the particular girl which I met yesterday. That's why we should use the before this noun. Okay, children? This is the glass which Ria broke in the morning. This glass is noun, and I use the before it. Why? Because it is not any general glass, it is not any common glass. This is the glass which Ria broke in the morning, means this is that particular glass. That's why we should use the before this glass. Next one is, we can use the before the nouns which are only one of its kinds. Means the nouns which is unique in the universe, like the planets. Look here, the sun rises in the east. Here, sun is noun, and in the universe, nothing is like sun. So, it is only one of its kinds. That's why we should use the before it. Star. The stars are shining in the sky. Star is noun, and there is nothing like a star. It is only one of its kind. That's why we should use the before it. Okay, children? Next one is, before the name of direction, holy books, newspaper, famous buildings and monuments and community, we should use the. Look here, Kerala is in the south of India. South is the name of direction, and I use the before it. The Bible is the holy book of the Christian. Bible, it's the holy book, so I use the before it. And Christian, it is the name of community, so we should use the before it. The Times of India is the best newspaper. Times of India. is a name of newspaper. That's why we should use the before it. The Red Fort is in Delhi. Red Fort is the noun. It is the name of a specific building, famous building. That's why we should use the before it. Got it, children? Alright? Now come to the next point, that we can use the before the noun with the name of rivers, seas, oceans, mountains range and nations. Look at the example, children. The Ganga is one of the major rivers of India. Ganga. It's a name of river, so we should use the before it. The Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean. Pacific Ocean is the name of ocean, so we use the before it. The Red Sea is lying between Africa and Asia. Red Sea is the name of sea, so we use the before it. The Himalayas are covered with snow. Himalayas is the name of mountain, so we use the before it. The French defeated the Germans. Children, what do you mean by nations? Nations means the people of any nation. The French means people of French. The Germans means people of German. So we should use the before nation, not nations, not before the nation. Before France we cannot use the, but before French we can use the. French is considered to be the people of France. French is considered as the people of France, and Germans is considered as the people of German. These are nations. That's why we use the before it. Next is before superlative degree of adjective. I hope you remember about the degrees of adjective. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Like this, good is positive degree, better is comparative degree and best is superlative degree. So before the superlative degree of adjective. Look here. She is the most beautiful girl in the class. Most beautiful. Beautiful is the positive degree. More beautiful is comparative degree. And most beautiful is the superlative degree. So we should use the before it. Lake Baikal is the deepest lake in the world. Deepest. Deepest is the superlative degree. So we use the before it. Virat Kohli is the best batsman in India. Best. You can see here, best is superlative degree. So we use the over here. So children, I hope you got this topic clearly. Notes and exercise are given to you. Do it. Children, I have some suggestions for you. Please eat healthy food, drink warm water and do some exercise daily. Children, don't go out anyhow. Stay home and stay safe. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.